Hi, I am Professor Zubair Jahangir, and in this video I will be telling you all a step-by-step guide on how you can apply for rechecking or getting the certified copies of your answer sheets. Being professional exams, it's possible that you didn't get the result that you were hoping for, so you can apply for getting your marks rechecked or getting the soft copy of your answer sheets. So let's begin. So the very first thing is you need to log in into your ICSI Smash portal. Moment you log in, your interface will open up. You need to go to module. In that you will go to exam and verification and inspection of mark sheets. Moment you do that, this kind of an interface will open up. You need to directly go on add a new request. Moment you do that, this kind of an interface will open up where all your details will be given. You have to go into request type and choose verification of marks, certified copies, or inspection of answer book, any one of them. Now what's the difference? Let's understand. So very simple, with respect to your answer sheets, ICSI gives you three options. One is verification of your marks, which you should be choosing. Verification means rechecking of your paper, recounting of your marks, and everything done in depth. So you have to apply for verification. Let's understand what is certified copies. In certified copies, your marks will not be checked. Simply your checked answer sheets soft copy will be given to you. So you can apply for certified copies if you want to get the checked answer sheet soft copy. It will be emailed to you. Now I recommend that you apply through RTI because it will just cost you ₹10. In a separate video, I have covered how can you apply for ICSI certified copies from RTI. So do that, it will just save you money. And the third option is inspection of answer book. Now this is in Delhi, the answer sheets are kept. You can physically examine your answer sheets, no checking, nothing. You can just physically check your answer sheets if you want. So obviously from your verification is what you are looking for, because that is rechecking, retotaling of your marks. Moment you choose that, automatically your whichever examination you have given, whether it be executive or professional, those options will come in. In case if it hasn't come and the results have just been announced, then you have to wait for 1 day at least from the date of declaration of result for this to get active again. You will choose in the request type verification of marks, choose whichever paper is there, and then go next. You will have to proceed for making the payment. Moment you make the payment, then you have to choose the payment mode. Once you do that, you will get a request number. You need to save, proceed. Once you do that, then you will get a transaction ID and a invoice receipt. Moment you do that and you have to save your transaction ID, which you can keep checking what is the status and the details. Now once that is done, again when you go to module and verification of your marks, that tab, was the home page which was there. Then you will get an additional option of view details. In that you will come to know what is the status, and the application status, whether it is pending, dispatch, completed, will all be there. So you can keep rechecking also. Now it is possible that sometimes you made the payment and there is some kind of an issue. So then you will have to go to Google, put up register a complaint. ICSI first link will be there. You need to put it up. There will be a helpline number. You have to call them up and tell them the details with all the proofs in case if there is any issue or your transaction was not processed in due time. Now it takes approximately 1.5 months for ICSI to do this. So there is no option. You have to start studying for the upcoming attempt and not wait for the papers to come, because this could take a lot of time. So wish you all the very best. Hope you get the rechecked marks with good and you clear with flying colors. So that is it. Thank you so much.